What's up, family gang? If you're new to the channel, hey. If you're not new to the channel, hey. Y'all already know it's mukbang time. So today I have some rice, some sausage, and some cucumbers. It seems like this dish is like trending all over YouTube. So I was like, you know what? Let me give it a try. And on top of that, I will be doing the Be Loves Eating with No Utensil Challenge. So I'm super excited to see how that goes. And y'all know y'all girl got her good old DB sauce. Y'all already know. Y'all already know. And I got me some ice cold bottle of water, as well as some sparkling water just in case. So y'all, we just gonna jump right into it. Heavenly Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Let it be nourishment to my body. Bless the hands that prepared it. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Roll my sleeves up, cause honey, this is about to get messy. Y'all, I burned my fingers trying to get, hopefully y'all can see that. I burned my fingers trying to get this rice, like this, in this shape. Y'all, this rice is freshly hot, freshly made by yours truly. So I'm going to try my sausage. I did make a big pot of my DB sauce, so once that cools down, I'm going to put it in a container and I'm going to freeze it. These cucumbers taste good. I think I should have cut up some more. So how is everybody doing today? How is everybody doing? Yeah, I'm gonna wait before I touch that rice because that rice is really hot. It's really hot. Some cucumbers is really good. Remember back in the day, my grandmother used to cut up cucumbers. She used to put, I think, salt, pepper, and vinegar on them. And she used to bust them babies down. So let me tell y'all a funny story. All my life, I've been cutting potatoes wrong. And all my life, I've been making spaghetti pasta wrong. Okay? Yeah. I did not know when you make spaghetti pasta, I did not know you just take it out the box and just put it in the hot pot of boiling water standing up. Growing up in my household, growing up in a black family, we always broke our spaghetti pasta in half. In a video posted on Facebook, and somebody was like, oh, this is the correct way how you make spaghetti. And I was like, all these years I've been making spaghetti wrong. And sitting here stirring up the pot like, okay, why is it taking forever? Been doing it wrong. Now, I've been cutting potatoes wrong. Growing up, I always used to see them rake the potatoes forward. Rake the potatoes forward. Y'all, recently, I made some stew beef. Some stew beef stew, whatever you want to call it. I made a good pot of it. So I had like my potatoes, my carrots, my celery, or everything in one good up pot. Y'all, when I say it was taking me a good 5 minutes to peel a potato, Yo, I'm sitting here getting frustrated. I'm like, nah, I gotta be doing something wrong. Like, why is it taking me so long to peel a damn potato? So, something was like, oh, pull the potato peeler back. Yo, I pulled the damn potato peeler back. It took me like maybe about 5 seconds to peel the whole potato. I was so upset. I said, all my life, I've been living a lie. All my life, been living a lie. Still kind of hot. Hopefully I don't burn myself. This rice feels like sushi rice. If you guys ever ate sushi, that's how this rice feels. Oh, this is hot. No, I ain't trying to burn myself. Oh, this is hot. Mmm. 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 This is hot. Mmm. Yeah. And that sauce dripping down the side of my mouth. Mmm. This sauce and the bomb. Mmm. That is hot. That water tastes so good. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little story time. Oh, this is hot. Mmm. Oh my god. I'm starting to be a mess with this rice. So, when I was younger, you know, like every like Friday night or whatever, we'd order Chinese food. So, it's like a full house. So it's like me, my mom, my grandmother, my cousin, and my two aunts that live in the house together. And we ordered Chinese food, whatever the case may be. We're sitting there, we're eating. You know, I'm in my room with my mom, eating. Mmm. Oh god. And my mom asked me to go in the kitchen and bring her a toothpick. Like one of them wooden toothpicks. It used to come in a little, get it from like the 99-cent store. It come in the clear plastic container with the colorful top. So sometimes the top is like red, green, yellow, or black. It looks like really small. So I'm gonna look her. I go in the china closet and get the toothpick. Oh my god, this sauce is dripping. I get in the doorway of me, my mom, and my grandmother's room. Y'all, I dropped the toothpicks. I dropped the toothpicks. I'm trying to quickly hurry up and put all the toothpicks in the container and put the top back on. I didn't get all the toothpicks, y'all. This rice tastes really hot. I didn't get all the toothpicks. So that as soon as I went to go walk, a toothpick, I stepped on the toothpick. And don't forget, it went in the heel of my toe. Not my toe, it went in the heel of my foot. So I'm sitting in the doorway of the door, sitting on the floor, trying not to cry, trying to dig the toothpick out of my foot. I couldn't dig it out. My mom calling me, Alicia, hurry up. Not knowing I was sitting in the doorway on the floor trying to dig a toothpick. Trying to dig a wooden toothpick out of my foot. I went in the room, tried to be all calm. My mom noticed I was limping. She said, what's wrong? Y'all, I bust out crying. And I got a toothpick and stuck in my foot. I told her what happened. She's mad. I told her what happened. Y'all, she laid me across her lap. Took a tweezer. And started digging in the heel of my foot to pull the toothpick out. Not knowing that I was over in the doorway trying to pull it out. So it's me digging, trying to pull it out. I'm digging it deep in my foot. She got the tweezer. She just digging it, the toothpick deeper in my foot. I had to be rushed to the hospital. Got to the hospital, whatever. And we got in the back. At this point, I was already petrified. It didn't hurt when I was trying to take it out. But as my mom did in my foot, that shit was hurting. So we laid on, they put me on the table. I laid on the table, or whatever the case may be. And the doctors started digging all in my foot. Y'all, when I say I was back there in that emergency room, bawling, like I was back there bawling, crying, screaming like I was being abused. Everybody in the lobby, like, you could hear me in the lobby of the hospital. That's how loud I was screaming. Other doctors had to come in the room to try and see what was going on, cause they thought something was like really happening. No, I'll never forget that. And I was back there. I was screaming. Y'all really thought somebody was trying to kill me. The way I was screaming. I should ask my mom if she remember that incident. I'll never forget that day. And then once the toothpick was finally out my foot, they discharged me from the hospital. Mind you, I gotta walk back through the waiting area. I gotta walk back through the lobby. And then, like, they asked my mom, that was her screaming? My mom was like, yup. And I was like, they was digging in my foot. You know. I don't know if it was like that. I will never Forget that day. That was the worst day. No, I can't even say that was my worst day. I think getting hit in the head with a metal bat was the worst thing I ever experienced in my life. Now that was the worst. That was absolutely the worst. Ooh, my rice is not sticking like it's a normal one. Oh my god. This rice is really good. I normally don't make that kind of rice. I normally make pulled boiled rice. I think that's how you say it. But that kind of rice is the Carolina, I think, is the enriched long rice. And I just added some coconut milk. And I didn't add no seasoning, no nothing. I just added coconut milk, and it's like, it got it moist or whatever. And a little tacky. Ooh, this is hot. Mmm. Mmm. These cucumbers are so good. Yeah, I did my good deed for today. I know my face look crazy. But I had all my son baby clothes. Nazir is 4. So I had literally all his clothes from when he was a baby. I'm talking about shirts, onesies, sweaters, jeans, sneakers, coats, his bedding, his bassinet, his stroller. You know, that was my first child. And I was like, I'm not ready to part with his stuff yet. I don't know if there's any other moms that felt that way, but I wasn't ready to part with his stuff. Oh, excuse me. I feel another one coming. I wasn't ready to part with his stuff, his belongings or whatever. And I wasn't ready to part with his stuff. So I held on to it. I packed it in the bag. I washed the clothes, fold the clothes, and I packed them away in the bag, and I put them in the closet because I wasn't ready. And then fast forward, I had Fatty Boom Boom, which is the diva, the harmony. I had her, and some stuff was given to me. Now, when I had Nazia and when I had both my kids, I did get stuff that was, given to me. Like my mom, she had some of my brother's things from when he was a baby that was still in good condition, and she's like, you know what, you could use them or whatever the case may be. My mom was still sending, stuff that was like really, really too big that I couldn't use yet. My mom was sending it back to the islands. And somebody else, back home could use the clothes. So, she gave me things. Babe friend gave me things. Other people gave me things. So, I was real fortunate that, my kids, are blessed. Not only do they have two, good parents that buy them stuff, but there's people that give, just give willingly. So I was like, you know what? I have no more use for this stuff no more. I have no more use for it. I have no more use for this stuff. And it doesn't make no sense for me to hold on to it. So the things that my daughter couldn't wear, I gave a big bag of brand new clothes. Practically brand new. I gave away. And then, just today, I went and I made a post on Facebook, like, where can I, donate clothes or whatever. And a few people comment, and I was like, you know what? When I get home, I'm gonna sort out the clothes. And I gave away tonight. I literally gave away a baby swing, a brand new baby swing. I gave a full laundry bag of baby clothes away. You know, me, one thing about me, I'm always trying to find ways to, help people and stuff. And then, especially moms that don't really got it, that's like struggling and stuff. I'm always finding ways to help people, I'm not looking for like anybody to give me like money in return or anything. But you never know. Just by me helping somebody, helping the next person, a door open for me. And God bless me with something. So, I still have like I got rid of the boy clothes. Is just trying to find who I can donate baby girl clothes to. I'm all about helping other moms and stuff like that. Yeah, I think this is gonna be the shortest mukbang because I getting full. My belly full up. I can't eat no more. I know why I got full quick. Cause while I was making this food, I was sneaking and eating these sausages. They were so good. Y'all, if y'all want to see how I got this blue hair color, I'm going to leave my watercolor video up top so you ladies can go and check it out. But y'all, definitely stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell so every time your girl upload a video, you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to share this video with anyone and everyone. Don't forget to always be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And like I always say, I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.